As the winter holidays are already around the corner, you should know exactly when to stop trading and when to close your trades. In this video, you will learn how Christmas and New Year affect the financial markets. I will share with you my trading schedule for winter holiday season, and you will learn the best time to resume trading. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let's discuss how winter holidays influence the financial markets. Winter holidays lead to a dramatic reduction in trading volumes. Many traders and investors take vacation in that period. Many financial institutions, banks, hedge funds operate with the reduced staffing. They close early or are completely closed for holidays. Look at the schedule of official banking holidays in different countries. Since Tuesday 24th, the banks are officially closed in Europe, in the United States, in the UK, in Canada, in New Zealand, and in other countries. Even if you trade technical analysis, you should admit the fact that fundamentals are the main driver for significant price movements. One of the major sources of high-impact fundamentals is the economic news releases in the economic calendar. Look at the economic calendar. You can see that the last day of significant high-impact news releases is Monday, December 23rd. And then the economic calendar is completely empty. The absence of impactful fundamentals will make the markets stagnate. Different assets and instruments will start trading in narrow ranges, making trading very boring. That is why Monday 23rd should be your last trading day this year, and I recommend closing all your trades this day and open new trades only next year. Here's the price chart of euro-dollar pair last year during the winter holiday season, and below you can find the ATR indicator, the one that measures the market volatility. And we see a clear drop of the market volatility during the winter holidays. And we can find a similar pattern on a gold chart during the winter holidays last year. With the big politicians taking the vacations during the holiday season, we tend to see local easing of geopolitical tensions, accompanied by a lack of significant foreign and domestic policy actions and announcements. That is the US congressional calendar. You can see that there are no sessions since December 23rd. All these factors inevitably lead to diminished trading activity. But why should you care? If you have free time, why can't you continue trading? The absence of big players on the market will decrease the overall trading volumes, the liquidity. Lower liquidity will unavoidably increase the bid and ask spreads. The widened spreads will make trading more costly, especially if you are a day trader or a scalper. And when should you resume trading? It always depends on how actively the markets wake up after winter holidays. The minimal starting date will be the January 6th. I usually don't trade this week and just watch how the markets are moving. I will begin my new trading year from Monday next week, the January 13th. While it's better not to trade during the winter holiday season, it gives you a perfect opportunity to do backtesting and learn. Pick a trading strategy that you want to trade with in a new year and backtest that on different financial instruments. Learn basic and advanced theory and techniques. Relax and prepare yourself for a new trading season. Let me know, traders, in the comment section, when do you resume trading? Also, traders, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn technical analysis, do not forget to check my ebook. The link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.